4 a.m. We're in New Jersey. We're on our way to the airport. Spent the night here, right near the airport in Paramus. Half an hour drive to Newark, and getting ready to get on our flight to San Diego to Valle de Guadalupe across the border. All right, we are in San Diego. Here we are, off out of the plane, and we are on our way to Valle de Guadalupe. We're waiting for Tony Baloney to show up here to pick us up, our trusted driver and tour guide for the week. We're out of the airport, drove through San Diego. Now we're in the car, and we are heading to Tijuana, to the border crossing there. Just 15 minutes south of San Diego. And
hey, this is where we were in our motorhome.
You're in your motorhome here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we stayed right on the water. There.
Really? Nice.
Yeah.
You were so close to Tijuana.
We were close.
You were close. Jay, say hello.
Hello.
What are you looking forward to this week?
I'm looking forward to all the good wine. Please. And I'm not looking forward to all the taping.
So we're at Villa Ortegas, the famous lobster restaurant here. This cute little Mexican town. Let's step on inside.
I'm about to look at your menu. My phone's over here.
Gracias.
Jim, what did we just order?
Margaritas.
And what else?
Margaritas.
And what about food?
Lobster.
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 We're gonna eat whatever.
Pollo.
Did you say cold?
Well, there's chicken. They make tortilla soup out of chicken broth.
Look at that.
Boom.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Look at that. Out on the ocean. All right, we are at Villa Ortegas. We just got the lobster. Look at that. Oh my gosh. On the ocean. The lobster. There's lots of lobster. There's the guacamole. And look at these tortillas. These tortillas are massive. Massive tortillas.
Better than the sheets at our last Airbnb. Just saying.
they got going